Hi there. I wanted to send you a personal message to say thank you so much for supporting me and Orange Tree Interiors in this last year. 2022 was a bit of a whirlwind for me. The previous 2 years were pretty hard on me, actually. Um, I had some really positive things happen, like my business actually grew. And I know that didn't happen for a lot of people, so I'm super grateful for that. But I also became plagued with burnout and depression. And so 2022 became a year for me to reflect on what's really important for me and spend some time with myself figuring out how I want to run this business moving forward and what's truly important to me as a business owner and as a human being. So I just wanted to send you a message to say thank you so much for for following me through email or for following me online and social media. Or if you purchase something from me, I thank you so much for helping me to contribute to my family and keep this business alive. I'm truly grateful. 2022, we took a lot fewer projects. We focused more on smaller projects and paint consults and design advice sessions. And that allowed me to spend more time with myself on introspection and learning. And I actually started a podcast even to help teach the things that I've learned. And it helped me to focus more on my own personal happiness. So I thank you, anyone who purchased anything from me, whether it was a course, a book, a paint booklet, a service, whatever. I'm just so eternally grateful to you. 2023 is going to be good, I think. I did take that time that I needed to focus on me, and I know that what I truly value is being of service to others. I love to help others, whether it be through interior design or through just giving them a little bit of encouragement. I also really truly value time with my friends and family. That's actually why I started this business in the first place, is I wanted more time with them. And I ended up working more than I've ever worked in my whole life. So I want to spend more time creating a business that allows me more time with my family and friends. And a little bit more time having fun. I think I spent, the first 4 years of building this business on work, and building it into something wonderful. And, I think that was essential, but it's time to balance things out a little bit more. So I'm excited about what is to come in 2023. I'm not quite ready to reveal it yet, but I'm excited to be excited because, as I mentioned, the last few years have been sort of a roller coaster. And now I kind of can see the light at the end of the tunnel, and I'm very excited for what's to come next. So I just wanted to send this note to say thank you so much, whoever you are, and whatever way you have supported. I am truly, truly grateful, especially to my husband, who has been so patient, help with me building this business and then taking time to reflect. And he has just been such a wonderful support for me. And to all my friends who have listened, and just all of y'all. I'm so grateful. Sorry, I'm getting emotional. I hope you have the best Christmas ever. I hope it's filled with so much love and so much laughter, and that you make many beautiful memories with the loved ones in your life. And I will see you in the new year. Happy holidays.